In this video, I'll detail how to turn off flashlight on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you turn on your iPhone flashlight, now you're looking for ways on how you can easily turn off the flashlight. Then here, I'm going to show you at least 4 different methods that you can use to turn off flashlight on your iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The easiest and fastest approach I can use to turn off your flashlight, either on lock screen or home screen, just say, "Hey Siri,
Hi there.
turn off flashlight." Is that my flashlight is turned off? So that's one of the ways. Also, if your flashlight is turned on your iPhone and you want to turn it off, you can just swipe down the control center like this, tap the touch icon, and that's going to turn off the touch. Or when the flashlight is turned on and you are on your iPhone lock screen just like this, you can just go ahead, press and hold the touch light. Then once you feel the haptics, let it go. To turn it on back again, just press and hold the touch light. And once you feel the haptics, let it go again. Another way you can use to turn off flashlight on your iPhone when enabled on lock screen is just swipe right like this, and that is going to turn on the iPhone camera. Then exit it. Then you see that that's going to turn off your flashlight. So if the flashlight is enabled like this and then you want to turn it off, just swipe to camera like this, and once camera is enabled, disable camera again. Then you should see the flashlight turn off. So that is all you need to do to turn off your iPhone flashlight. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.